inversion, that was somewhere around here. Okay, but S&P 500 itself at the time is about 2000. Cannot really see. Let me just double check on this. Give me a moment here. I block myself on this one. I just show it to you live myself. Okay, there you go. Much better. Okay, much I draw it live right now. Okay, here itself is 2862. Yeah. Okay. Now this was a period whereby the first inversion came in 2019. The last one, the latest one. But you notice that the market itself, right? Okay, the market really went up instead. All right. But of course, did the market goes up for 5 months? Yes, the market really went up by 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Monthly chart, but within 5 months, the market did come down because that happened during the pandemic time. It was not the recession, even though it was deemed to be recession, but it was a very fast one. After the market came down, right, within 4 months, the market recovered already. That was the fastest ever recession. Okay. So that means that, in my opinion, itself, right, this is not a real recession, or this recession has been basically stuff, yeah? So now I see from another trading point angle, take a look now. Everybody, you notice this? This is a BNB, right? This is a BNB for the monthly chart. So you can see now 33.96 and 28.62. So guys, can you tell me now what's the range of this BNB? Can you do me a favor now? Can you calculate for me what's the range of this BNB? That means that you take 33,096 minus 28,262. 3396 minus 2862, what number do you get? Okay, thank you very much. You get 534, right? Thank you, this Louis, Anthony, Karine, and Dennis. So very simply, we will take down this number, 2862 minus 534. What do we get? Thank you, Janet. Thank you, Shafiq. All right, 2862 minus 534. What number do we get? All right, 2862 minus 534. What number do we get? $23,828, right? 2328, yeah. Cannot be 26, yeah. 2328, yeah. 2328, that should be the right answer. 2328, not 26. Yeah. Okay, all right. So if you press OK, everybody look at it. All right, look at it. Look at it. This is the power of BNB, right? BNB extension minus 1 times 1. The market really hit here, 2328. And what happened after that? The market recover and roll all the way up itself. Can you see that? Okay, excellent. Now, everybody. Now, why do I draw a line here itself? Now, if you remember just now, right, you see that reaction from the charts, okay? Okay, wait, over here, remember, when I show you this, the months still bull. Now, on average itself, right, there is 19 months, 22 months, as low as 5 months to 20 months on average. So on average itself, right, it's about 20 months. So let me give you the maximum, 24 months. That means that, right, I give you the maximum from the very beginning of the point the market inverted, let's say here, and I added on another 24 months. All right, 24 months, yeah? If I do that itself, okay? That means at this point here, this is where it should have your recession already. Correct or not? Because you see, everybody, all right, this is where it inverted. Although the market have a recession here, but this was pandemic created. Market may have leverage on this, but this recession itself is so short. It doesn't make sense, right? Then after that, now as the price climbs out here, we have now inflation problem, supply chain issue. That is a typical thing about inflation. So by right itself, right, in September, this is actually 24 months old recession. And now you can see the market is still continue to go up the last few months, but now you can see price is coming down already. So to me itself, right, actually the recession is just about to start. Based on the first time when you have an inversion back in 2018, only recently again it has another, and people say that no, it could be different now, another 6 months, 12 months, stuff like that. I don't agree. I think it's not. I think that now we are really seeing the brunt of the recession that is supposed to be happening. So if that's the case, everybody, the simple mathematics here, everybody take a look. This guy is a BNB. Can you see that? This guy is a BNB. Okay. Now the BNB, as you can see right now, everybody take a look. I go to the chart now. Take a look. All right. So everybody take a look right now. If this is the high 48.16 example, and the low itself is 42.119 example, what's the range of it itself? What's the range? All right. All right. That means they're right. Okay, Karine, recalculate that 3930. Yeah, 3930 somewhere around here. Okay, the 1 times 1. Okay, so now 4816 minus 4219. All right, minus them. What number do you get? 4816 minus 4219, you get 597. Is that correct? 597. Right? 597. So it's another 500 series, yeah? 597. Then you take this figure now and you minus 4219 minus 597. What number would that be? What number would that be? 4219 minus 597. What number would that be? $36.22. Yeah, $36.22 according to this Dennis and Susan. Yeah, you guys understand where I'm coming from. Yeah, you can all TWB train. You all know exactly what am I looking at. Yeah. So indeed, it's all right. The answer is 36.22. All right, 36.22. If let's say really this is going to be a minus 1 times 1. Now, if I press OK, everybody take a look. Now, change the color a little bit to make it different. Can you see that right now? So that will be the target for the S&P 500. So what I'm trying to say is this: if everything goes according to plan, then when the market breaks here, there is a high chance to see 36.22. All right, it could be a high chance to see 36.22 coming down, and that could be the target. That means that right now, as I can see right here, the current S&P now is 45, right? If you're going to go down to 36.22, okay, that means how many points is that? All right, it's going to be a big one, right? So 3, this is 2, right? This is 3, and this is 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 923 on the S&P points. 923 again multiply by 500. 800, 5 times 8, sorry. 923 times 8. What number do you get? 923 times 8. What do you get? Right, 923 times 8. Now, why 923? 923 is basically the current S&P minus the target 36.22. Hence, therefore, why we get the times 8? Because what we want to do is we want to calculate the potential downside of the Dow. Because one S&P point is roughly 8 points of the Dow. One S&P point is roughly 8 points of the Dow. All right. Wow. That number is scary, right? That number is very scary, right? That number itself is 7,384. Scary? Do you think so? do you think so this will happen? 7,384 points. Do you think that the Dow Jones will lose as much as 7,384 points? Seriously? Well, that is possible. That is really possible. So the Dow Jones now is trading at 34,000, all right, 818 minus 7,384. So what number do you get from here? Last one, the last calculation for today. All right, 34818 minus 7384. All right, what number do you think we can get? Yes, thank you very much, Fred. Now, Louis, sorry, 27,434. Scary? Absolutely scary. Would it happen? We doubt will happen. We doubt. Mathematically, it can happen. Anything is possible. Mathematically, ma. All right, so let's look at the Dow Jones right now. If I click the Dow Jones charts right now, okay, and I put a number in, okay, this number itself, I put it in, okay, 27,434, and press OK. Wow, it's all the way here. But actually, is it feasible? It is feasible. It is actually feasible. Now, why is it feasible? I'll explain to you now. Now, remember, I did not prepare this. Anything you're charting, I don't prepare. But I want to share is why is it actually feasible? Yeah, you watch, everybody. Now, clear out the screen. Now, if you look at this thing here, when the market was surging upwards itself, right? No one expected this to happen too. Do you notice that this is the Dow Jones? And this Dow Jones itself is a BMB. Do you notice that for the monthly chart itself? So if you look at the distance over here, is it the same distance over here? Do you understand my point? So now what do we have? Okay, what we have over here, okay, everybody take a look. Make it bigger. Okay, take a look, everybody. Do you notice that this is a BMB also? This is a BMB also. So may not be as extensive as what I said to 27,000, but for it to come down to here itself, 29,500, mathematically is actually very possible. Can you see my point? All right, can you see my point? So let's just try it for a moment before we just move on to my segment, okay? This is the high of the Dow Jones, yeah? Let's bring it in, Dow Jones high. Then we put the Dow Jones low, PMB, right? And this is how many points? This one to here, right? 36,947. Now, this is just estimated numbers, yeah? 33,142. So what's the range here again, everybody? 36,947 minus 33,142. Then after that, you take the answer, you minus off 33,142. What number do you get? So 36,947 minus 33,142. You get a number, X. Then you take X minus this number, you get the next number. All right, what number would that be? Would anybody want to do this for me? the number will be 29,337. Absolutely correct. Yeah. Possible? Put it down. Put this drawing right now. It is possible. Although that on seasonal pattern to happen in April doesn't seem possible, but again, mathematically, based on what we are seeing right now, well, it can happen depending on how deep this thing goes. All right. So guys, again, I'm not saying that the market will crash down, but I'm just giving you a pretext of what might happen based on maths. Now, as you know, the last time when I predicted the crude oil from $64 to $121, I did it based on maths. The last time I tell you that gold will go to from this 1,900 to 2070, I did it based on maths. So this time round, I'm telling you, based on maths, the Dow Jones can really come down to 29,300 plus, because this is the number is not precisely because we did a rough estimation. So if you want to get a precise number, then you need to go to the high and the low precisely, and you get a specific figure. All right, this is just an estimate, yeah. Estimate here, EST, yeah, estimate, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. So make sure that you do your homework and do whatever you can do. Okay, but of course, can it work on the other side? That means that can I predict the upside? Of course, you can use it. That means that if the market is to go up instead, that means that the Dow, wow, the Dow can go up to 40,000. No, wow, crazy, yeah, can. So that means that if the market is going to go up instead, the Dow can go up to 40,000, a new benchmark altogether. So things can go really crazy, guys. Okay. Can anyone else do me a favor? Can you do the calculation for me now? If it's going to go upside, right? How many points would that be? Use the same formula, just like you now plus 36,947. So before we move on to our TA side itself, right? Let's have the number so that at least everybody have both sides of the coin. Rather than I keep on telling you the bad side or the downside itself, right? You should be positive, yeah. Who knows? There might be a twist in the whole thing itself. Who knows? The market may go crazy and buy up all the way to the sky. You know, who never know, right? All right. Yes, I get a number ready from Allison, from Dennis, from Louis. Right. The magical number is 40,752. Wow. That will be wow. So Karine, rather than ask me, maybe if you ask me, maybe Tesla will go to 2,000, Microsoft 400, maybe this Apple $300. I mean, that is the only way, right, for you to reach that point. But Apple at $300, wow. Okay, can it be possible? Okay, the answer is all on your board. Okay. So let's see whether this thing can really happen or not. Yeah, I have no idea to this answer. Yeah, I got no idea to this answer. Anything is all possible. Okay, anything. Trading is all possible, because the last time when people say that, Cal, you say that the gold will go to 2070, people think I'm crazy. And when I'm predicting that crude oil go to 121, people say I'm nuts. Okay, they call me crazy, but yeah, I'm crazy in a way. Okay, all right. Thank you guys for all the mathematical calculation. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate it for all your little help here today. So now you understand why I have this drawing. Yep. Okay. All right.